So in the logic and probability theory, if the two events could not be true at the same time, could not happen at the same time, they could be said that they are mutually exclusive, just like when you are a set of the outcomes when you are playing a coin, which can result only maybe a heads or a tail, but they could not be the both. So in the business environment, for example, if a company only have $5,000 budget and there are three projects, projects A and project B will cost $4,000 each, and project C will cost, for example, $1,000, and the manager has to choose which project to go on. And in this case, we will say that project A and project B would be mutually exclusive because they cost $4,000 each. The manager can only choose project A or project B. They could not choose both of them together. So in this case, project A and project B would be mutually exclusive. And regards to the collective exhaustive events, the events could said to be collectively exhaustive if the list of the outcomes include every possible outcome. In other words, at least one event would be happen no matter in any cases. And for example, when rolling a die, the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are collectively exhaustive events. And the same example as I mentioned in the mutually exclusive, the total budget is 5,000. A will cost 4,000, B will cost 4,000, and C will cost 1,000. I think we could suppose that the project A, B, C would be collectively exhaustive, because if the company do not, we just suppose that A, B, C are the only three projects that the manager could choose. We could say that they are collectively exhaustive, because if they do not choose any projects, they will not get any revenue and they will lose, right? And the third question is that the two approach to determine the probability value. I think the first one is objective method and the second one is subjective method. Just like it's named, in objective method, we use numbers and formulas to calculate the exact number of the possibility. For example, we use a number that an event will occur and divided by the total number set of the outcomes. For example, we use the objective method to calculate the possibility when you are rolling a die. So the possibility when you are rolling 1 is 1 divided 6, which is 80%, almost 80%. So in objective method, you can get an exact number. And on the other hand, in the subjective method, you will make the decision and make the estimates based on your experience and judgment. For example, a product manager have to make a decision on how much is the defect possibility when they are manufacturing a new product, and how much is the sales revenue and the cost of return, something like that, when they want to product a new when they want to manufacture a new product. This may be all based on the experience of the manager and some historical data during the research, but maybe in this way, different manager could make different results. Thank you.